In this video, I'm going to show you some tips for using number formatting and how you can apply thousand separators in Excel. For this demonstration, I have a list of numbers and some data on this sheet. First, I will show you how to use decimal separators. You need to select your numbers, or the range of numbers you have. Then you will see the quick options available, which include the increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons. If you want to increase the number of decimal places, simply click the Increase Decimal button. You can see how the numbers change as the decimal places increase. These are your decimal place controls. If you want to decrease the number of decimals, click the Decrease Decimal option. These are the basic options for adjusting decimals. Now I'm going to show you how to use thousand separators. For that, you can go to More Number Formats. When you open this dialog box, you will see that the number formatting appears based on what we used earlier. For example, if we used one decimal place, it will be reflected here as well. If you do not want decimal places, simply click 0, and the decimals will be removed. You will also see options for negative numbers, but we do not need to worry about those for now. If you want to use thousand separators, click the Thousand Separator option. You will immediately see how it separates the numbers into thousands. To see the difference, you can check or uncheck the box. This will clearly show you the difference between using thousand separators and not using them. I am enabling it here so you can see the effect. Now let us apply the accounting format. You may notice that a different currency symbol appears. If you want to use the Canadian currency symbol, go to Accounting from the same number formatting dialog box. You will see many options to choose from. Look for English, Canada, and select it. You will see how the currency symbol changes to the Canadian dollar symbol. From this same dialog box, you can also remove decimal places if you do not want them. You can clearly see the accounting format applied here. The zero values that are not showing in the cells do not mean the values are deleted. When you click on a cell, you can still see the value displayed in the formula bar at the top. The number is still there. It is simply not displayed in that range of cells. For percentages, you have the percent symbol, icon right here, and you can apply it directly. For accounting, you can also use the accounting shortcut on the ribbon. You can select it from there. Otherwise, to apply accounting through the full menu, click the drop-down arrow and choose accounting from the list. For more number formatting options, click Number Format to open the dialog box and apply any additional features you need.